Lunchtime with Maddie. She's a very good eater. Today we're having chicken, macaroni and cheese, and tomatoes. And Maddie loves it. Mmm. There's her little beggar. Yeah. Mmm. Yes. Okay, this macaroni and cheese is her new thing. Oh, Maddie, look, it's all on your chest. She likes to shove. She's about to get a bath, so. You sucking down those noodles? Mmm. Is it good? Maddie, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yay, Maddie. Say bye-bye. Say bye. Okay, she's too busy stuffing her face. We're not getting a bite. I just wanted to show everybody what a good eater she was.